In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Sora AI. So make sure you have the Sora by OpenAI application installed. It is available completely for free on the App Store. Keep in mind that this will only work on iOS devices at the moment. But anyways, all you want to do is you want to press on open. And then from here, you guys will have the option to either continue with your Apple account. You could either sign in using a pre-existing Google account, or you can go ahead and create a new sign-in entirely. It is up to you. For clarity purposes, I'm going to go ahead and continue with my Google account. Alright, once you went ahead and signed in, it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this, where you're able to go ahead and adjust your name. You guys could also add a profile picture, but just go ahead and press on continue. It is then going to go ahead and see if it can find some of your friends, so you can connect your contacts, but that is 100% up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and select on skip. Now from here, you guys will now have the option to actually upload your likeness onto Sora AI, and then you can go ahead and use it for basically anything you want. So go ahead and press on get started. Then go ahead and press on allow, and now it is going to go ahead and record you, and you will need to say some numbers on the screen. Alright, then it's going to record a video clip, and then it is going to go ahead and upload it, so go ahead and press continue once it's done. Alright, then you just want to confirm that your character is 100% valid. Then you guys could actually go ahead and change the permissions as well, so you can determine who can actually use your likeness, whether it's only you, people you approve, mutuals, everyone. Then afterwards, you want to go ahead and press on done. Then go ahead and press on start watching. Alright, afterwards it is going to begin creating your account, and all you need to do is you need to go ahead and wait a little bit. And then afterwards your draft is going to appear right over here, and it is going to generate a AI video of you. So that's honestly pretty cool if you do ask me. You can go ahead and share it if you want, but it's automatically going to put it underneath your drafts. So it's not going to automatically post it if you're a little bit worried. So keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.